Ram Gopal Verma had categorically told me this song, Ahmed, I'm looking at, it's going to be something that said visual effects and all that stuff. And उस वक्त visual effects was like, अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो यार, ये होने वाला है क्या? So he had said that when she's dancing, there'll be these lion statues, and they come into life. So she's getting life into dead things, statues and uh, post box and fire extinguishing. Telephone booths. So she's going to get life into non-living things. That's Rangila. अब वो VFX में होना है तो for me it was. But he said, Ahmed, you take the song. I took the song and I loved Yaire. The way the beats were there, it's like it's got the hip hop kick to it. So I went to the rehearsal hall. I pulled my assistant. I said, "Chalo, let's choreograph." Then I choreographed it, and while choreographing, I was enjoying it. And I went very staccato in terms of the dance steps. And I told him, "आप आके देखिए." So Ram Gopal Verma came with his team, and he saw. And I know that he had thought of doing it entirely in VFX, and I had filled it with dance. I said, "I'm doing my work. Let him accept or reject it." When he saw it, he just stood up. He clapped and he said, "It's done. Ahmed, you have changed my vision. You have changed my thought what I was going to do with this. No VFX, no visual effects, pure dancing."
Yeah.
That time I felt I've connected.
Yeah. It's so interesting that you talk about that song because it kind of sets the tone of the film because it's the first song.
Yeah.
And even the back dancers in that song, they are as much a part of the song. They are as much in spotlight. I remember एक में soldiers हैं, then there's another one with hawkers, then there's another one with
Office going people.
office going people, then builders, construction
Construction workers.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And it's
End में karate guys.
Guys. Which is so interesting because all of that is part of Millie's world. मतलब she knows all of that, but because it's a dream sequence, so it is very elevated. So how did you imagine those back dancers? कि ये karate होंगे, soldiers होंगे? Because there's one point where I think kids are on soldiers. They are scaring the soldiers with the guns, and they are treating them like horses.
Yes. See, I remember he had told me that she'll be dancing and everything which doesn't have life will be dancing with her. So I thought, you never see soldiers dance. You never see karate people dance. You don't see laborers who working in a building, them dance. They're only working. So that always played in my mind. That let's get such people that you see karate guys doing kathas and patterns of karate. Soldiers only with gun. Builders who working laborers only working मट्टी सीमेंट रेती में पड़े होते हैं. So I had that in mind कि ऐसा करना है. And बच्चे because उसमें ना बच्चों का बहुत एस्पिरेशनल सॉन्ग था. तो बच्चे जो डरा रहे हैं आर्मी वालों को, फिर उनके ऊपर हॉर्स बैक बन के चला रहे हैं. It's they can't even think of it. So I said कि let's do some things which are not meant to be. नहीं तो I could have showed one wedding, मछेरे नाच रहे, ये तो देखते ही हैं आप इनको, but these people you don't see them dance. So that was the whole idea.
Yeah, it is really an aspirational song also because of the time it released.
Yeah,
it was post liberalization.
Yes.
And then even that kid in the song there's a whole paragraph where Aditya Narayan has sung it, I think. And which is like so interesting because they're thinking about a new India and what we are all facing those conflicts right now. There's so much consumerism ki kya kare, ye kare ya wo kare, and then she says that just listen to your heart.
Yes.
So can you talk a little bit about specifically that stanza and what was your vision for that?
See, वो जो बोल है ना, मैंने जिंदगी में 2 गाने किए हैं which really mean a lot to everybody today also. One is रंगीला and one is चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है. तो that's aspirational for everybody. So रंगीला में वो अंतरे बहुत प्यारे हैं. इतने चेहरों में अपने चेहरों की, अपने चेहरे की पहचान तो हो, नाम तो हो, बड़े बड़े नामों में अपना नाम और निशान तो हो, पहचान तो हो, जीने में फिर तो क्या बात है, दिन नया और रही नई रात है, तो हर घड़ी बस खुशी साथ है. तो this was it. The second antara was so nice. The melody changed. It was second was like it was like that, कि माथे यहाँ हाथों पे, मतलब लोग ऐसे बैठते हैं ना, तो महबूब साहब ने लिखा है इट्स लाइक सर पे बोलते ना, माथों को हाथों पे रख के बैठे हुए, चांद या तारों में किस्मत को ढूंढे, खुद में क्या है ये ना जाने, खुद पे ही हमको यकीन हो, मुश्किलें आसान हो। तो ये इट वाज सेल्फ बिलीफ। तो उसमें एक शॉट है, इफ यू सी उर्मिला इज डांसिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ अ कार, दैट्स माय कार।
Oh, okay.
So that was my first car,
Okay.
and I'd never seen a heroine stand on top of a car, and I had a Tata Sierra that time, and she's on the roads. आपने हीरो को एक्शन करते हुए देखा है, गाने में किसी को ये करते हैं, तो आई थॉट कि ये मुझे करना है, एंड राम गोपाल वर्मा इज टू रियली लव दिस थॉट्स हैज टू कम अप विद। सो वो एस्पिरेशनल इतना था कि ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें से ना वो निकलती गई कोरियोग्राफी। एंड इफ यू सी ना याई रे सबको लगता है इट्स डांस डांस, नो, बीच बीच में ना बोल है, वो किसी से बात कर रही है, कुछ ये कर रही है, शी इज मीनिंग। तो दैट वाज अ गुड प्ले ऑफ डांस एंड मीनिंग बोथ।